Welcome to today's vlog. We may have a little bit of randomness in this video. However, I don't mind the random. First thing on our docket is to open these packages. The boys have been beyond excited. Go ahead, don't wait on me. Go right on ahead.
Yeah.
We ordered.
Oh, yes.
We ordered these swimsuits. The boys each picked out their own. I can't wait to show you which ones
the
they
duckies.
picked.
No, this is.
Okay, Boston's excited about his duckies. Cody got banana. Why'd you choose bananas?
I don't know. What do they? I liked them. Oh no.
I think that's so funny.
Oh yeah.
My boys do not like mesh lining at all, and these have these little, they're shorts, they're like briefs underneath. They're soft. Yeah, super nice. Lincoln got the colorful one. What other ones did you guys get? Show me your...
I got the lobsters.
And Cody got sharks.
I got lobsters and starfish.
That's one of my favorite ones. Is this your second one? So do you guys feel like the prints match their personalities?
Prints match their personalities.
Do the prints that you chose, do the designs. This one is Joel's.
Oh yeah, let's see that bad boy.
And then this is Joel's other one. These ones are from Amazon. They were very reasonably priced. I will put these in the description for you guys. Cute?
I love it. Oh,
That's
love that.
cute.
That's so cute.
I love that. Cody said he wants to wear them just as regular shorts, not just as swimsuits. Cody likes his. Link, what do you think?
I think that it feels like it's underwear on you. Like
I love
it's the best thing ever.
Okay, great. Do you like yours?
I love mine.
All
Mama,
right.
I don't think we should get a smaller size
really
because so when I grow bigger,
I like it.
it's
Still
like
fits.
yeah.
Okay. Pretty loved shoes you got there.
Yeah. My toe has a
It
window.
came out because like it got squished.
My toe has a
And I
window.
can poke more.
It does have a window. Cody's had a door.
Yeah, mine had so many holes, so I had to put duct tape on it on our camp trip because water kept on getting in and getting my toe wet.
Yeah.
So I just put duct tape on
Wait.
it. Worked pretty good.
After it
Yeah,
comes
so
out,
I'm-
look at the holes.
I'm pretty happy for you guys to have your new shoes.
Me too. What's those called?
Handsome. We're making a reel so we can show the boys before and after shoes. Oh, you only can put one on. Oh, no, you're right. Put them both on. Yep. Sorry, I was mistaken.
These were getting old, and I love them so much because I thought they were just awesome, but they're kind of trash now. And I thought, well, why don't we just do like a before and after of what this looked like compared to these?
Yep, and I am thrilled to do that. And I just have to say this. Cody didn't even ask for new shoes. He had these shoes, and I said, Cody, would you like me to get you some new shoes? And he kind of teared up, and he's like, well, I just don't want to ask.
Shoes is a loosely used term, but this is a sock with rubber on the bottom. This thing is like...
It makes me feel a little emotional because, one, it's like, are you kidding me? I'll buy you 1,000,000 pair of shoes if that's what would, like, you know what I mean?
Are they the exact same?
Kind
Pretty
of.
much.
They are the exact same shoe.
Except for
The texture is a little different, but I like this texture, I think, more.
Oh, I thought they were. Maybe
Oh,
not.
I like the Nike on the bottom right there.
I like
That's
it
cool.
too.
Yeah, I
It's
like
cute.
it.
like this had more.
Yeah, I like it. Alrighty,
Okay, we have the shoes sitting here, so we knew where to put the kids back. I'll put the reel in here for you. The rags. Don't. No, I'm scared.
Okay, listen.
No, Joel, no. How do you do this?
I'm gonna...
Go over.
Yeah, go over it and just go straight down.
Okay.
Bossy, go over it.
Perfect.
Oh my,
Whoa,
look at
whoa,
the difference
whoa.
in size.
Oh yeah, the size difference is insane.
And just because the kids can stuff their feet
Okay.
in these socks, they think they're the right size. I'm like, that's
Okay, put your foot right here.
over top.
Right in the front, right there. Okay.
Okay, straight down.
Okay.
Down. Don't move.
Okay. Dad's gonna count down. He'll say 1, 2, 3, and then you guys all.
Just
Scared I'm gonna accidentally move it.
I know. So am I.
okay. You ready?
Hold on. Hit record.
Okay.
Okay, Dad's gonna count down, and then just do the exact same thing where you click your outside shoe.
You feel stable? Casual? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Click. I would honestly say to burn those things, but the toxic fumes would be...
Oh my gosh.
Oh, bossy. Finish it. Finish it off.
Take a look at the
Finish
inside
him.
of these. They're terrible. Like,
Oh my golly.
Wait, take off one of the tape.
I know.
it's okay. No, take off the tape. Oh yeah, take off the tape.
That's
Look at
fixable.
the
I got
holes.
duct tape.
Like, look at the holes I had.
Yeah, Cody's are like...
I needed that tape.
He's been
And then look at
mowing
this
lawns
one.
in these things.
Look at that one.
But I will say, he
Wait,
kept
that was a bigger hole. Like,
he kept
we garbed it.
he kept them really clean for a long time.
Yeah.
That was a big hole.
Yeah, those
Like,
shoes have seen
he
things.
actually needed.
I had these last year in Florida.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
go.
But look at this. Look, you can. Yeah, see how much you can just.
There's no
stretch
heel. Like,
All right.
alrighty.
If you
Find
put
a
it
garbage
back,
can.
it will click and like it will go back and forth. Like
I think
this
there's one
thing.
right over there.
Alrighty, let's find a garbage can. Oh, it doesn't want to go. There we go. There you go. Alrighty, now listen, Boston. I don't want to find you over here digging through that garbage can to get your shoes back because you like them so much.
Oh, Boxy loved those games.
Well, they were handsome. They were handsome.
They're like carpet.
They're 2 sizes too small, and he's still squeezing those toes into them just because they look so handsome.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
This is the cutest dog toy I've ever seen. That's the cutest dog toy. We're getting a shower head. That's kind of cute. Handheld shower head. Just fixing the one that broke.
What's soy sauce?
Salt.
Is that leftovers?
Soybeans, wheat, salt. What's that?
I'm showing them our leftovers. We had a salmon bowl, and when I was done, we just mixed everything in the bowl. We've got green onions, carrots, salmon. Oh, you guys saw. And we just reheated it, like we shredded the salmon, reheated it, put plenty of teriyaki sauce, and I made them do individual dollops of
Sauce.
soy because I don't want it.
That's fantastic. No, there's one left bite too. Do you want it?
Nope, scoop all that up, and
Olivia, you
I think the kids are
No, I had a bowl of it.
good, beyond ready for school.
Me?
Everyone. Sorry, beyond ready for the pool.
Oh, I was like, huh?
No, everyone's done with school, and now we are completely ready to go to the pool.
While I waited for the sun to shine, I was crying on my own. It was all a waste of time, all along. Yeah, I waited through the summertime.
We've had a little bit of a change of plan. We are not going out to eat, which is probably a good thing.
It's good to clear out the fridge.
So I went to clean out the fridge, and well, half the strawberries are bad, and the entire thing of blueberries is covered in mold.
Gosh darn
And my thing of salad was slimy.
Ugh.
But even though all of that was bad, I was able to put together this.
That looks good.
I know. The kids are like thrilled about it. And, then,
I like some Jemmy.
and then we had a lasagna that we're warming up. And we're just gonna see how far this gets us. I'm not really.
Ice cream will fill in the rest of the gaps.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm like, okay, if we're not full, we'll get ice cream for this.
No, not.
No, we have ice cream.
We have ice cream here. I want to try
But then
it.
we don't get a lot.
No, we have
Well,
ice cream
yeah,
here.
we
We
do.
have plenty
You don't
here.
need a lot.
What do you mean a lot?
We only get one scoop.
Oh,
No.
Uh-oh.
some nights.
I just dropped a strawberry on that.
Lady, go
Someone,
get it.
no, someone can grab it.
Very valuable strawberries.
Well, I just don't want it on the chair, so we can just you can either throw it away or put it in your mouth.
I'll eat it. Tastes like a strawberry. Dressing tastes good.
It really does smell so good.
The dressing tastes fantastic.
This is my favorite dressing. I will put a link or not a link for it, sorry. I will I'll write it in the description for you.
There you go.
Recipe.
Thank you, Cody. Recipe.
I mean, the light looks amazing right now coming in. It's kind of, yeah. Maybe it's phone, the
it's a-
sun everybody
okay,
got.
so the salad is a little small.
I think it's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
This.
We need a protein with it.
Well, that's all right.
We had proteins. We had it for lunch. We had fish.
You need
Yeah.
a protein with this meal.
That's okay.
What is that?
We do have some lasagna. Did you see if it was warm?
It was on the bottom of the plate. It was burning my hand.
It's not warm.
It was burning my hand on the bottom of the flake.
Well, it's because microwaves heat up the appliance or the
Not
dish, not the food. It's a real good
We're
sign.
definitely gonna need something to substitute us, but what this will do is get us by so that when we go to the game,
We're not starving.
we're not starving.
right.
We'll pick up like something afterwards.
Swirl whirl.
I like swirl.
Racetrack. We go
You know-
racetrack.
We'll get something.
Yeah, we'll find something. That looks good.
I made this whole lasagna and I've never even tasted it.
It was fantastic for the potluck. I liked it.
Yeah, it was good.
Wait, can we take
I'm
one?
excited for the Activia.
Yeah. Oh, Lane,
Oh.
I'm gonna give that one to Daddy.
Oh, it's fine.
No, Dad, that's enough. You need.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need more.
You guys.
Go ahead.
I will
Okay.
gladly.
Oh, these are probably us.
All right, Joel, take one.
Mine? Okay.
No, that was mine.
There you go.
I mean, that looks nice. It's
I
fine.
think it's great, Neil.
It's just a little light.
You can't just.
Yeah, but we had a good lunch. We're good. Okay, grab a plate. Everybody got one?
Yeah. You don't have any?
You shake them?
Oh, we do.
Yeah, you
Spoons
have to
work.
shake 'em 'cause there's stuff in the
Spoons will work.